You're now going to learn how to find the maximum or minimum of a group. So let me explain this. Let's say we want to find the employee that has the maximum salary in each department. So the group over here is department. So in the police department and the other department in Houston Public Works. We know from the previous video there are 9 unique departments. So we need to find these 9 employees with the maximum salary in that department. So one way to do this is it's a combination of methods, sort values and drop duplicates. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to sort by the department and salary columns like this. And I'm going to say ascending equals true, comma, false. So department will be sorted ascending, that's A to Z. Salary will be sorted descending, that is highest to lowest. Let's go ahead and do this. So the fire department, and you can see the salary over here. That's the highest salary in the fire department. Okay, so now we have this. That's great. So we're going to now use our knowledge of drop duplicates. And so we only want the very first one to appear. So if we drop duplicates and we say subset equals department, it's going to keep the very first appearance of every department that it sees. So going down, and that's going to be the employee with the highest salary. So this is how you do it. So it's pretty cool. So the fire department, the person with the highest salary, the first person with the highest salary, there are ties here, so it doesn't keep the ties. You have to do a bit more to get all of the ties, but this will keep the one person with the highest salary of that department. So very cool what's going on here. And in fact, you don't even need to sort the values by department and salary. You can just do salary. You just won't get a neatly organized department over here from A to Z. So we can just do salary first. And let me comment this out at the beginning. So this is the highest salary regardless of department. And then if I drop duplicates, well, it doesn't matter if department is unsorted. It's still going to select the very first, or the employee with the highest salary in that department. It just won't be in the same order as you see here. So department is not sorted. So this is also a way to get the correct answer. There's no need to actually sort department first. All right, so a practical example of getting the maximum or minimum of a group. If you want to get the minimum salary, well, you can just sort it like this first. So this will be the minimum salary of every department.